The hair looks like a flower here. Big flower. Yep. Hi. I hope you are doing well. I have made few of the YouTube videos, but I took a break after January. If you're new here, I'm Arnica. I'm an illustrator and designer based out in Missouri. Today's video, we are going to do a sketchbook flip through where I'll bring you my sketchbook tour that I finished in May. Well, sometimes I take an year to fill a sketchbook and sometimes I have finished in a month. Yay! Yeah, crazy me. Also, I wanted a mic and my sister helped me get one. Well, this is a DIGITEK wireless mic and oh, I forgot to bring my hand up here. Sorry, I'm really sorry guys. I'll get used to it, okay? Hello, hello, hello. Oh my god. I'm very new to this mic, so I'm just making it go here and there. Okay, so let's go. Let's do a sketchbook tour. I'm so excited because this is the first time I finished a sketchbook in like 30 days. Alright, so let's begin. I have mentioned the month and the year on the first page, and when I started this, I thought I will make it as an art journal, like the first page says it, but turns out into be a mix and match. In the second spread, I used pencil colors with the crazy kick-ass color combo. It basically sums up how my day was that day, the flowers, the birds, and even the feeling that I was experiencing that day have been described by more of the lines and things. Now this one is the perfect spread showing my love for hens with bright, mellow, and lovely color combination. I love both of the spreads, how I've clipped them and there's white space so that the colors are coming out really well. Now the next one is for my love for fishes because it's real. This one is the plein air painting I did while traveling to Missouri. The inspiration of these birds came from the page called Tales of Missouri. She has posted different birds on her feed, and I took inspiration and drew them. Each one is unique, pretty, and to be true, I love them all. Very unique features of each bird there. Again, feelings and flowers are taking over my mind and my sketchbook too. I have been practicing portraits because I'm not good at it, but yeah, practice makes one perfect. And on days when I had no inspiration, I open up Pinterest and try to draw what I see, experimenting with colors and mediums. Some pages are my favorite, and some are just awful, like the previous one. And even this one is okay. I wanted to skip it, but it's good to show the bad days of drawing too. And oh my god, I cannot believe I used my sketch pens like this. Random colorful mushrooms look so pretty here. I'm amazed to see the results. Even this one is fine. Let's move on to the other one. Now, this is one of my favorite spreads, to be honest. The color and the composition, I love it. I like how I have my favorite ones too. These colors give me opportunity to experiment and textures feels amazing here. Vegetables mix and match is also looking pretty nice. Gosh always does its magic. Now I experimented with soft pastels and made a blunder with her face. It was quite interesting. This was the first time I used soft pastels in such small canvas area. Not that bad, right? Again, flowers are breathers, and that too with sketch pens. Nice. And then this one is meh. I use soft pastels again to see how beautiful this one has come out. I love the neon green magic in the background. Moving on, more hens. This was random. I made patches with oranges and gave them details with markers. I wish I could have a farm one day. It would be awesome. And I love the overall feel of this bright page. It has come out really well. Like, I was not expecting this out of it, but they are pretty simple to make, and you can add details with the micron pens. Now, moving on. This day, I saw a very huge bird, a snail, and a bright yellow flower. I just mixed them into one composition, and oh boy, they are looking nice here. Sitting right next to each other, a big flower and a big snail, and what not. This one is from a nook in Landor, and this one is from the Mall Road, Missouri. The clouds were very pretty that day. Now, this page is my fuck up. Nothing else. Some other portraits with some nice color combination. The green and pinks look really nice here. Again, I don't like this right side portrait a lot, but I do love that flower. Black and white never goes wrong. Bold, beautiful, and whatnot. More portraits, more expressions, experiments, and watercolor splashes here and there. Now, the kind of faces that I usually draw in my doodles, it was a nice practice. More flowers and more landscape. That's just my style, and that's how I love it. Well, if asked, I usually draw what I feel, what I like, and these are the pages that describe it really well. And landscapes soothe my mind, so they are always there. Some of the pencil color art that I'm really in awe because they turn out to be really nice. Some random portraits result of a watercolor splash, and I like the different hair color here. And here are the beautiful peaches. I saw it on Pinterest and thought of redrawing it. I have attached a video on the side so that you all can see it. I hardly draw male faces, but it was good to experiment them. This one is very random but beautiful color combination. I love how this came out. And then there are more hen, chicks, or murgi, whatever you want to say. I experiment with watercolor and pencil colors, and I love how the texture has come out really well. Now, this page is dedicated to the miniature art that I was thinking of, line art tattoos, and I like this right side flower that has come out really well. Very pretty, very elegant. Some more portraits. I don't know why I choose the color blue for the head, but I like how the light is reflecting in them. Then these are with the sketch pens, very hot pink color and nice leaves. I'm in love with toads, and toads are really pretty here. Moving on, more flowers for the breather. Here are the birds that I saw. A very colorful bird I saw that day and just came home and drew it. This one, I think I saw it on Pinterest or maybe a picture and it stuck with me. I like the purple background there. Now, this one is the real art that I saw in Kashmir. I was just going through my pictures and then I just was like, let's draw it. Ending this book with green trees. And ta da, that's a wrap. Thank you for watching it with me, guys, and I hope we get to do this more often. Let's pray for that. I thought maybe I'll also tell you something about this beautiful sketchbook that I got from MENORAH. It's 10.5 into 10.5, a square size notebook. Also, the written GSM is 180 GSM, but the way it is holding out all the watercolor and everything in it, I have a feeling that it's more than 200 GSM, but the paper quality is really great. I would recommend this. If you are, if you want to try it, you can try it. Thank you. I'll see you all soon. And that concludes my sketchbook tour. In every video, I'm going to suggest you a book that I really loved. So today, it's this one. This book is very nice. So I'm recommending this book because this book has answer to the craziest question that comes or pops in your head. How you have to practice mindfulness and how you have to act on that certain situation. And I really loved it, so I thought maybe you all will give it a read too. I'll post a link in my description of the same book because I got it from Amazon as well. One, two, three. I take my whiskey neat, my coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me.